Here we go. Ready? Oh, who's better than me? Yeah. Hey, what's up? Okay, now that I've got the fretwork done, right? See? You really can't see it from there too good, right? But now you see up close, it looks really, really cool. The next step, what I need to do, is like the blanket chest. I need to mangle this wood a little bit on the inside of the carving so the carved part will pop out from the surface, you know. It's called dimpling, I guess. I don't know. You know, I just call it mashing the wood. And what I got here, I have a hinge pin, okay? Hang on, get in the vise. Check it out, old school hinge pin. I got this from one of the hinges that were down in my dad's basement a long time ago. And I use this one for the blanket chest, if you remember, or if you didn't see it, whatever. I made a blanket chest, and you know, basically, what I want to do is I want to take the surface of this thing. You see how nice and flat it is now? I brought it over to the tool maker and I just wound it up and I made the circle a little smaller. I want to put this in my vise. Okay, let me see. I'm just gonna maneuver the camera so you can see what's going on here. That looks pretty good, huh? I crank it down a bit. All right, what I want to do, okay, is I want to try to make the surface of this hinge pin a star, because I want to try to have a pattern on the part of the wood that I'm trying to accentuate. So I just have a triangle file, okay? And what's good about this old pin is that it's pretty soft steel. You could get a drill blank or something, and it's pretty hard steel. So this right here I like. It's because it's soft. So you see me, I'm just coming in a little bit, and I'm gonna take that material away. Now I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm just gonna try and see what kind of pattern it comes up with. Okay. All right. Well, let's see what that's gonna look like. All right. Got a piece of scrap wood here. This could be it, guys. Hopefully. Hang on, I gotta find a hammer. Oh, there it is. I got it. Oh. I'm gonna need this piece. Let's not try to get a hold. Alright, Dave. Alright, buddy. See what it looks like. What do you think? Think it's a pretty good pattern? I'm really not too sure. Kind of looks like a snowflake or something. So I'm really not too sure what the heck to do here. So I'm going to mess around with this thing a little bit. Maybe I can get it to look more like a star, you know? Maybe 5 or something. Bless you, my son. Check it out. Can you see that? It's perfect now for what I want. I think it looks really, really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how to do it on the fretwork, alright? Just a little bit, because it's going to take me a couple hours to ping this whole board right here. Huh? See this thing? I got to ping this, I don't know, a couple of thousand times with this little tiny thing. So I got myself a cup of coffee, got myself a cigar, and I'm just going to do this. So let me see if I can get the camera to half decent angles just so you can kind of see what's up. Alright? I know you're probably going to want to have a tool or something or other, but I think this is going to work out pretty good. You know, I'm going to clamp this down and blah, 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 okay? But I'm just trying to... Yeah, you can see that, right? You guys see that? So is that like 14 little pings in there? Can you see the difference? So, I don't know, man. This is going to take a long time. You can totally see the difference from where I dimpled it, right? How accentuated the carving is all in through here, you know? And look at it, it's unbelievable. Now you pan up and then you see that it's just kind of all flat. So I'm just going to dimple it a little bit so you guys can see what the heck I'm talking about, alright? Oops, sorry. This tripod, you know? I should probably hook up one of those cameras like that go over to stadiums at football games. That way, you know, I can just swing it around my shop. I'm just going to turn the tunes on, alright? This is probably really up close to me. Hey, bats in the cave? Alright, I'm going to turn the tunes on and whatever. What do you think? See the difference? Totally dull. See? That's what I'm kind of... See that? Pretty awesome. So that's the difference, everybody. So I'm just going to get to mangling that wood, mangling my thumb, my fingers. They're already vibrating, but that's alright. It's the price I got to pay. I can't wait to see this thing up on top of the pediment. It's going to look really sweet. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later, alright? I kind of want to do a YouTube thing again, but I got to concentrate today. Fun and games are almost over. I got to get this thing done and I got to find a buyer for it. So if anybody's out there, let me know.